guys, we're at Brecon or Waterfall, as the locals call it, up in full Waterfall Country. There's loads of waterfalls around here to walk around. It's on the Brecon Beacons. Brecon as it's also named these days. There's a little place you can eat food in here. Just check the road. Me and Josh had some food here a while ago. It was nice too, really nice. It was a tourist information place, but now somebody's taken over. There's a little cafe, I believe. So that's it there. You also got the Angel. There's lovely food there. That's a regular watering hole for us when we come back from the walk. But we're going to go up a different way today. We can go up the left hand side of the building here. I normally carry on with our car is up there. Up to Dinas Rock, and there's old silica mines up there, and this place you can explore. Great adventure day up that way. But we're going to go up this way today for a change, and you can see there, Waterfall Country. There's 4 waterfall walks around here. That's the toilets there. Plenty to explore, and a great little area to do some photography. This is what I do anyway. I really enjoy it. So we're going to have a little look today, and we're going to take some photos and do some stuff for the local falls. There's all the information. We're in the Brecon Gorge, carved by the power of water, the Vale of Neath to the South Wales. There's gouge along the geological fault line by glacier during the ice ages, causing nearby rivers to plunge down, forming today's waterfalls, guys. That's where we're at. Let's go and get the camera set up, and let's take some photographs. There's a footpath taking you in, guys. High-sided bankings. Got a lot. Superb. There's quite a lot of rainflow lately, so I'm sure the rivers and the falls are going to be quite good to photograph today. There's lots of rain in Wales.